So I had some unseasonably cool weather. Went from like 98 degrees to like 84 degrees. So my paints on the shelf that I need to get rid of were a little bit thicker because it was cooler. So I did a little bit of a painting spree to try and get rid of them so I can get rid of the shelf and everything else. So I decided to make a few paintings, a lot of the same colors that I normally use. But I figured I would use them up while the temperature's cool because it will be in a couple months before I get the chance again. And so I'll probably spread out the videos just long enough to keep them every few months. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this one. I did get a little bit of green with this one. This Payne's Gray was a giant container that I had mixed up. That's made with my 2 giant containers of cheap Hobby Lobby paint. So it was Phthalo Blue and Mars Black. So the Phthalo Blue Payne's Gray always makes green, which I like the green. The green has grown on me. But yeah, I'm not surprised that I saw the green, but some of the green parts end up being my favorite on this one. is dry. This section, I'm not sure which colors made up this area, but it's not terrible. I did get a lot of the little dots that I like from the fire dots. This time it was the Amber Lights one, and I like this area here. It's nice and soft. So Amber Lights was like a lighter copper color, so I had some of that and I used it. So I kind of like these little pockets of different things. They look like little different scenes to me. And a couple little stars in that little pocket there, and then there's all my little dots that I like. So yeah, this one turned out pretty well. Pretty rusty at pouring, but it's not the worst thing I've ever made, so that's a win. I hope you liked it.